Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to show how to get input from user in Python. Getting input in Python is similar to scanf function in C. Let me start with typing a variable n followed by input of what is your name. If I run this piece of code, you can see that it is asking your name, for which I enter Bhaskaran. Now Bhaskaran is assigned to a variable n. Type print n and run the piece of code. Again type print hello, comma n, and again execute this code. You can see hello Bhaskaran. So this is how